Welcome everybody to Carol's Art Room. Today's video is going to be some pink bloom, a pink bloom. And these are the colors I'm going to use. This is Athenia. It's a goldy pink color. This little piggy pigment. This is Fairy Floss. This one is Persian Rose by Amsterdam. Quinacridone Magenta. This one has also some baby pink in here, or you could use the Persian Rose to add to it to make it lighter. And that's the colors today. I have a heart. I've taped the back, but I'm not a fan of this one. Too much black, so I'm going to do another one, only just with mostly pinks. All pink. And some black cell activator. I still hope it doesn't come out too dark. I might put some, actually, I might put some white cell activator underneath too. Excuse me. All right, let's get down some Glidden Premium. Whoops, I think I better put something underneath this. Stick a piece of tape underneath. Try to get it centered pretty good. Okay, should be good. All right. Now this Persian Rose is opaque, so I'm going to put it down first. And then I'll put down the Athenia. If you're new here and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. You'll be notified when I do a new video. And comment below. Let me know what you think. Give me a thumbs up. That all helps my channel grow. And all my bloom recipes are in the description under the video. There's consistency. think I'll do the, no, I guess I'll do this one next. And this bloom is going to be in honor of Breast Cancer Month, which is October, which I'm a little late, but I wanted to do one. And I will probably give it away to someone I know. That was the quinacridone magenta. I got a lot of paint down here. So you'll need to thin that one out a bit more. I like to separate my pigments in between. So I've got white cell activator, titanium white. Let's see if it's too thick. And Australian Floetrol. I'm going to use my blower, and I'm going to use an attachment today. Some air bubbles. Whoa. Maybe a little too much cell activator, but so I can just letting the middle come back. Just gave all my spoons and stir sticks a good scrubbing, so I'm gonna give them a good wipe off with my paper towel. Try and keep them clean. And we'll see how long that lasts. Very pretty, some peacock cells there. I'll give it a spin. Beautiful. All right, let's see if this is moving. One more spin. If you put a skewer in the middle and look at it, you'll see how thick it is here and the difference here. So you don't want it too thick. You want them very similar. So that's pretty thin now. It's pretty close. So there you go. I don't need to spin it anymore. I love it. Isn't that gorgeous? There you go. It's my breast cancer heart. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the dried results. Be at the end of the video. Have a good day. Hi everybody. Here's my heart that I just took the box off. I just did this yesterday. It's drying really good. The outside's dry. The middle's a little wet still, so I'm not going to touch it, but everything's looking good. Bit of a shine there. Pretty cells and lacing. I love this one. Great, thanks for watching. Have a good day.